Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a worksheet to make it exactly what you want. So this is a BrainPOP worksheet that I downloaded off of their site. I usually watch the video and will give my kids a quiz. Sometimes I'll give these as a reteaching or actually to practice the concept that we learned. So I like to edit it though to make it my own. And how I do that is I go up here to this color block tool and I'm going to insert a color block. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to white out some of these areas. So I'll go to no border here, and then I'll just push Control D and I'll duplicate it. And I'll cover up the date here because I don't need that. And then I only want them to write the part of speech. I don't want them to write what the word modifies if it's an adverb or adjective. So I'm going to cover that up. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover up the end of the direction over here. Now what I'll do is I'll go in and insert a short text box and I'll just put it right on top there and then go to edit and I'll put do not score. So now it's time for me to go down to where they put in their answers. So down here, I want to put a couple reminders in. So I'm going to click on insert text. And then I'm going to drag and drop my box here, and I can always move it afterwards. And I'm going to go to edit. Now I'm going to put be sure to spell the words correctly and write the whole word. Oops. So I'll save those changes there and then they will appear right here in the box. So I can make this bigger and you can resize it to where you want it. So I'm going to put that right there so they can see it before they start putting in their answers. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to short answer and I'm going to drag and drop my short answer box in. So I'll move this one up a little bit and I'll give this some more room here. Now, once I have my one box, I can just duplicate this one. So I'm going to edit my short answer and I'm going to put in the correct answer and I'm going to use a capital and a lowercase just in case. And this way TeacherMade will grade it for me. Now I'm going to duplicate that and I'm just going to change the answer here. So I'll go up to edit short answer and this one is an adjective. So I'll do the same and just make sure I spell it correctly. And then I'm going to duplicate it. And next I have, let's see, an adverb. I'd go and type in my answers here. And then my last one is a verb. So I'll go down here and I'll edit it and I'll just put in verb. So they'll get 1 point for all of these. I'm not changing the point value. But now what I can do, instead of duplicating them and retyping those in, I can just duplicate the ones that are adjectives and add that in where it belongs. So I have one here for number 5 as an answer. My noun, I'm just going to duplicate that as well. And I have 3 more nouns. So I'll drag and drop it for number 6, number 10, and 9. So they keep the same point value and everything stays the same here. And then I have 2 more adverbs. So I'm just going to duplicate that there and pull them in. As you can see, now my worksheet is ready to go for me to assign to my students and for them to take. It'll grade it for me so I get my results right away too. So we can go up to view and preview just so you can see what it looks like. And you'll notice here that everything is gone and whited out. Here's the name box and then the reminders and your boxes down here where they put in the correct answer. Now, if you don't want the border on these, you can always click no border and it will appear with just that blue line. So hopefully I gave you some ideas of how you can use TeacherMade and how you can edit some of the worksheets to make them your own.